Hold on.
I
Tablets not. It's one of those days, folks.
am, because I'm just more of trying to get it moved, but as far as the court, it's been focusing on the trial.
All right. I've got Angela Bell here, 24 CR 1079. The defendant has been indicted a year and a half ago for the third degree felony of obstruction or retaliation. This carries with it up to 10 years in prison before the complainant filed charges against Bell. Complainant received a video showing that Bell was making threats to assault her due to her filing charges against Bell. Oh, this is the complainant. Okay. She was assaulted by Bell, struck her in the face and head numerous times. What's this? Why a year and a half?
I've had like too much, Judge.
Well, who had it and didn't do anything with it before? Who was your attorney before?
Mr. Davis, Mr. Groves.
I'm sorry?
Mr. Groves Davis.
Wait, do you ever run into this lady, Brittany Franklin?
We lived in the same apartment.
No, since this indictment,
No.
because if you contact her or so, if you contact her or somebody else on your behalf contacts her, your bond will be revoked and you'll sit this out in jail until we can get this done. Nobody influences or intimidates or tries to communicate with a complainant except the lawyers, okay? Don't do that or anyone on your behalf unless it's your attorney, because that would be catastrophic. We're having problems with that later. And those people are going to jail and sitting in jail. And we can't tolerate that. People manipulating behind the scenes, trying to influence and intimidate people. Now, this is long enough. This is way too long. What are we going to do? What was the offer on this?
5 years deferred is what I saw.
Deferred or unadjudicated probation?
Yeah.
What that initially was, it was just deferred to the numbers. I think this is more as added the numbers. So
What was
That's what I
the,
found in the file.
let me ask you, was this woman actually harmed in any way, or is it just threats?
Judge, the allegation is he was hit in the mouth, basically.
He was hitting them out. Did something happen? Did he lose a tooth? Or something?
Nope, I don't really even choose one.
Was there any damage?
That's what she is. She's saying that there's a scrape on her chin and then maybe some ulcerations on the inside of her lip.
It says struck in her face and head numerous times, causing pain and injury, but that's all it states. I don't know what, did we lose a tooth? Did we have stitches?
I haven't heard anything additional about tooth or stitches, Judge. I just saw the pain.
Can you find out?
There were no stitches. There was no tooth loss.
Can we find out what the exact
Yes, sir.
cause of damage was? I want everybody back in a couple of weeks, see if something like this can be worked out if the injuries were not serious, okay?
We also believe that it may not have happened, but that's another story.
Okay, well, I mean, if it didn't happen, nobody gets forced into anything, but the grand jury sure got tricked.
No, it's lower standard.
No, that's. You don't even go there. I mean, somebody presented something in good faith to the grand jury. If they didn't, let me know, and I'll take care of it. But if it was, let's don't play gamesmanship. Come on. The facts are facts. And I'd like to know what it is, but that grand jury doesn't get tricked by the DA's office. DA's office acts on it. Or they wouldn't have the reputation. 2 weeks, okay, we're seeing what that is.
We just want to make sure that her child has to go to the heart doctor on, I think, December 2nd.
And the team.
Let's don't do it on that.
Yeah, so I'm just making sure the court was aware of it.
Okay, Michael Johnson.
Okay.
Michael Johnson, this next, John. You know what? I have a couple of dismissals here. I've got Dugas, 25 CR 72A, Dugas, that has been dismissed. Hunter Chappelle, I'm dismissing that as well today.
Thank you, sir.
In that case. I gave her right. This thing today. It's kind of fun.
Just to review.
It's being
Get out of this.
He asked for us to be, for me to see what we think the options were.
Yeah.
Okay. I object.
Okay, Hunter Chappelle, that case
Makes my job easier.
17-28063, 10 years ago. That is dismissed. And also, I have case Sheena Miller, 24 CR 2.53. This, oh, I like this dismissal a lot better than that other one. That's the spacing. There was no spaces to write it.
Yeah.
I don't have those.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have two different versions of.
I don't know. We have to put our bar number on the ones when we dismiss the UTRPs. We don't on the ones we dismiss regular cases. This is all right.
All right, here's this one. Thank you, man. Do that because it's
Yeah.
trying to bite me. And now we have 23 CO 1765, the state of Texas versus Michael Johnson Jr. earlier here in last week. You were here and it's pleaded true to allegation 1 and 2. Committing the offense of evading arrest or detention on or about April 1st of this year, and also on that day committing the offense of resisting arrest, and this states in violation of your probation order of May 15th, 2024, where you were sentenced 2 years in the state jail, probated for 5 years for unauthorized use of a motor vehicle. Today, what are we here to do?
Your Honor, I think last week we were talked about getting him into ISF, and I think you requested the probation department to prepare new orders or amendment to the orders. So,
And where are we?
Okay, so I spoke to the mental health officer as well, because that's where we had
Yes, ma'am.
chose to place him. So I have on my amendment here, I have that he be placed on the mental health initiative caseload. That one is more forensic.
Okay.
So that one's a closer monitoring. He'll get a case manager that he'll meet with once or twice a month.
Okay.
And he'll work through like a management book that helps him with budgeting, all that kind of stuff, and help him understand his diagnosis. I also want to put him in MRT, which is the mental the
Recognition
visual
therapy.
recognition therapy class, because I think he needs something
Okay.
to help with that.
Those will be amendments to his probation.
I also think that we should place him on ROP, which is our random drug testing for the next 6 months,
Okay.
to help with that. And then I also said he needs to be placed on zero tolerance, because I think that'll also help as well. He's
Yeah.
already done ISF. He's successfully completed.
Failure's not an option.
Yeah.
No problems. I hear one problem, they're gonna come to me.
Yes, sir.
And then we'll pick up where we left off. And it's this quick. I've already made the findings. I would make these two statements. The motion to revoke probation is granted. You were sentenced to up to 2 years. 2 sentences. That's all that's between you and you going to prison, but it's really what's between you and going to prison is your actions, not mine. It's yours. So we've horsed around long enough with you. Do the right thing. What do you want to do with your life? I mean, to make the world a better place and you a better person, what do you want to do? What would you like to do? What you have skills. I bet everybody has a gift. Our creator gave everyone a gift of something. What is it that you're real good at? And that's what you do. You find what you're good at and you like to do it and then do it. And then the world's a better place. What is it? Sir?
build construction.
Good.
There's a lot of that work out there.
But we can help him with job searches and stuff in the office as well. That we get a lot of people sending us like, oh, that we need people. So we can also recommend those to him as well.
We'll be a builder of good things. Plus, a builder of a good life. Here, you're gonna have to sign these. I've signed them and I want to review in 6 months. Okay, how he's doing? Thank you. Anything else? We're in recess. All right, let's get ready for trial. Thank you. Thank you. Case view, Ada, I'm case viewing.
Yeah.
I'm in a case view.
Let me get
Yeah,
this
here.
separate, see it.
All right.
Thank you.
So our recess, we'll bring Yuri in. Let's get to trial. Thanks for you very much. Stand by.